Have you ever felt like your mind is everywhere except where it needs to be? You sit down to work, but distractions creep in. A notification here, a memory there. The hours vanish and you're left with regret. What if I told you that Marcus Aurelius, one of the most powerful men in history, mastered focus in a world just as chaotic as ours? And what if you could build that same unshakable focus, the kind that makes people respect you, fear losing you, and admire your discipline? Today, I will show you how. Picture this: Rome, late at night. Marcus Aurelius sits alone, candlelight flickering against the walls of his chamber. Outside, the empire is crumbling. Wars, betrayal, political chaos. Yet here he is, calm, still, writing his meditations. While the world screams for his attention, he trains his mind to stay centered. That is the power of focus. If Marcus could master it amidst empires falling, what excuse do we have today? Number 1. Silence the noise. Distraction is the enemy of discipline. Marcus wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." The noise of the world, arguments, gossip, temptations is endless, but focus begins when you silence it. Modern lesson: turn off the phone, walk away from drama. Train your brain to live in moments of silence. Women, bosses, and peers admire the man who is not easily distracted because it shows power. Number 2. Command your thoughts. The Stoics believe your thoughts create your world. Marcus practiced interrogating every thought. Does this help my purpose or weaken it? Modern application: when you catch yourself scrolling, chasing, or overthinking, pause. Ask, is this serving me? The man who commands his thoughts commands his destiny. Number 3. Embrace single tasking. Marcus Aurelius managed armies, politics, and philosophy. Yet he wrote, "If you seek tranquility, do less, or do what's essential." Lesson: multitasking is a lie. Focus like a warrior on one target at a time. When you talk, just talk. When you work, just work. When you love, just love. People feel the intensity of a man fully present. That presence becomes attraction, respect, and power. Number 4. Master your environment. Marcus trained his mind by shaping his environment. He would strip away luxury, sleep on hard ground, remind himself how little he needed. Why? Because cluttered surroundings create a cluttered mind. Modern lesson: clean your desk, organize your room, control what you see daily. Focus is not just discipline, it's architecture. Build an environment that makes distraction impossible. Number 5. Train your body, train your mind. The Stoics believe the body is the servant of the mind. Marcus endured pain, sickness, and exhaustion, yet kept training himself physically. Modern application: workout, run, lift. Every rep is focus. Every drop of sweat is proof. You can direct your mind where you choose. And when your body obeys discipline, your mind will follow. Number 6. Detach from outcomes. Marcus wrote, "Do not waste the remainder of your life in thoughts about others." Too many men lose focus because they obsess over approval. What she thinks, what they think, what the world thinks. Lesson: focus is freedom from outcomes. When you work for mastery, not applause, you build unbreakable concentration. Ironically, that detachment makes people chase you because they feel your independence. Number 7. Use obstacles as fuel. The Stoics had a phrase: "The obstacle is the way." Every distraction, rejection, or failure can sharpen your focus if you train it to. Modern example: when she ignores you, instead of obsessing, redirect your energy into your purpose. When work fails, double down on your craft. Focus is not avoiding problems. It is using them as weights to grow stronger. Number 8. Create rituals, not motivation. Marcus did not wait for motivation. He had rituals: daily writing, reflection, discipline. He wrote, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I am rising to do the work of a man. Modern application: build rituals, morning routines, deep work hours, digital fasting. These become sacred anchors of focus. The man with rituals does not drift. He commands his day like an emperor. Number 9. Live for a higher purpose. Here lies the deepest secret. Marcus Aurelius did not focus for himself alone. He focused because he saw his duty to Rome, to philosophy, to life itself. A man without purpose is easily distracted, but a man with purpose becomes untouchable. Modern application: find your why. Build something greater than approval, greater than wealth, greater than desire. Focus becomes natural when your mission is bigger than you. So remember this: focus is not about forcing yourself to concentrate. It is about becoming the kind of man who cannot be shaken. Marcus Aurelius mastered it through silence, discipline, and purpose. And you can too, because when you build focus, you build power. And when you build power, the world cannot ignore you. Subscribe and begin walking the Stoic path today.